Hi, so one of the UDL reflections that I want to showcase is learning through reflection, building on what you know and growing s'more. And as I was doing that, I learned that the primary purpose of history and social science and content standards are to help young people develop the ability to make informed and reasoned decisions. Also, I learned about getting to know the communities that, it's really important to get to know the community that you are going to serve as a teacher. I learned about Bloom's taxonomy in education. Um, I also learned about California history and social science framework and standards. One of the most interesting things that I learned was Webb's depth of knowledge and just learning about how to create a lesson plan that would uh, ultimately have a product which can be, really trying at times. And it was for me very difficult, but I did it. So the standard that I reflected back on was kindergarten standards and just being really specific on how to break a standard down, making sure that the K or the grade, I knew where that was in the standard, what the actual standard was, and then a substandard and what that meant. Also developing a learning objective through the standard that was really interesting. Again, social justice in education is important because, some students don't have, some school districts are not as funded as other ones. So just knowing that there's going to be some inequities there is important for me. And yeah, so this was my favorite. I added some videos here and just to break it down more and stuff. So it was pretty interesting and fun to create and to express what I learned. And I'm very proud of it. So yeah.